Imagine getting paid to live in countries like Germany, France, or USA while staying with a family for free. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is exactly what this video is all about. And today I will show you how to start. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use AuPair.com to travel abroad, live for free and earn money even if you have no experience. This is a platform that connects you with families abroad who need help with children, adults. In return, you get free accommodation, free food, monthly allowance, and even opportunities to travel to any country of your choice. Here is how to get started. In AuPair.com, there's two options. Once you go to the website, you will see Find AuPair and Find a Family. You are the one that is looking for a family, so you are going to click Find a Family. Once you click on it, you register with your email, build your profile, you search for host families, you send messages or applications to families. Once you register on your profile, the system will recommend families from different countries for you to choose from. Then you get matched. Then if you are lucky, a family might contact you. To actually get accepted fast, use a clear profile picture. Write a friendly bio. Show experience with kids, babysitting. Then be honest about your availability. You either add to your profile if you are available to travel out or not. That will determine the type of family that will contact you. So another thing is you have to apply to many families. One person might choose you, and it's very legit. All the families in this website, they are all verified. Now, if any family contacts you, make sure that you have a video call with them and never send any money to anybody. So if you want to travel abroad for free, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Drop a comment if you want me to show you how to create a winning profile. And don't forget to subscribe.